Hello and welcome. This is my first tutorial video, hope you understand. Search for Telegram translations. Request desktop site. Log in. Add your phone number. Press on Next. Wait till Telegram sends you a message. Confirm. Languages. Select other languages. Add a new language. Add a name for the link 5-word. Add the name of language pack. Select the lang you will use, mine Indonesia. If you using Android, then select Android and do the same thing as me. You can select the comment that can translate it in Telegram. I search for deleted account. Select on Add Translation. Once you done, go back and do the same thing one other translated thing. Select the first one to use the language you made. Example for deleted account.